What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video we're going to talk about the best export setting for different purpose in Filmora 14. Okay, so I got a question from one of my subscribers, and also I see a lot of people are interested in this kind of export setting because beginner want to know what is the best export setting to get the best video quality and keep the file size smaller. Okay, so in this video I will show you step by step and also different option to export your video using Filmora 14. By the way, let's say thank you to our sponsor of this video, who is ActivePresenter, the one who developed ActivePresenter, an all-in-one software for creating online training video, including tutorial video, e-learning courses, stuff like that. And it has a free screen recorder, free video editor you can try for Windows and Mac OS. Okay, so actually I'm currently using ActivePresenter to record my computer screen and edit my video for this tutorial. Okay, so if you want to try it, go ahead to the link in the description, or you can just go to their website, ActivePresenter.com. Okay, it is super powerful, especially the one who want to produce e-learning content or software tutorial like this. Okay, so this is my current project and this is my Filmora 14. Okay, so I have a bunch of different projects here. I have landscape video, vertical video, square video, and also I have some short video here, and gaming video, tutorial video, and how-to video, DIY video. So you can see that I have different type of video I can produce to upload to YouTube and upload to my website and stuff like that. So the first thing you need to consider is to double check the platform requirement first before you try to edit your video. Okay, so it is even before you want to export your video. For example, if you want to produce short video, it will be in vertical format. Okay, it can be 9:16 or 1:1 aspect ratio. And after that, you edit your video and finish your project, and you go to the export setting. So you need to keep your project setting, and then you want to go to more setting at the bitrate number or stuff like that. So you want to increase the bitrate number. Okay, if you produce full HD video, 1080p, then you need to keep your bitrate at 15,000 kbps or 20,000 kbps. And if you produce 4K video, you need to increase the bitrate number to 40,000 or 60,000. Okay, so first up is the landscape video. We use 16:9. So let's go to the export setting for 16:9 first, and then after that I will go to export setting for the short video. Okay, so for example, I have a video here, how to crop video in Filmora 14. I can just open it. Okay, so you see this is my channel, so I see the AI recommendation from YouTube to talk about the best export setting in Filmora 14. So hopefully it is helpful for many of you. By the way, if you want to try Filmora, you can also find the link in the description. And if you want to purchase the software, don't forget to use my special discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, so I have a discount coupon code for ActivePresenter also. You can save 20% with my exclusive discount. Okay, so this is my project, and this is how to crop video. You can watch this video on my computer, on my channel, and you see the quality. So first up, I set up the aspect ratio, and secondly, I set up the resolution and the frame rate, and after that is the bitrate number. Okay, so let's double check my project setting first. So we go to File and go to Project Setting. So this is the basic of my project setting. This is a new window. So we have the aspect ratio 16:9, which is for landscape video or just horizontal video. Okay, and this is for the resolution. Actually, I can go 4K. By the way, I think that my computer is not strong enough, so yeah, I just want to stick with 1080p because sometimes you just watch it on your phone screen and it is full HD. Okay, with Filmora 14 you can go up to 4K or 4K UHD. Okay, so I will keep it at 1080p. And the next thing we need to consider is the frame rate. For example, if you produce a vlog, a travel video, cooking video, how-to video, stuff like that, you need to keep your frame rate at 24 frames per second or 25. Okay, but for a tutorial video like how to do something in the software, you can make it 30 frames per second. By the way, it is up to the video that you're shooting. So if you have a 24 frames per second video, then maybe you want to edit your project in 24 frames per second. Do not increase it to 30 frames per second. Otherwise, it will be choppy or it will be laggy. Okay. So for now, I can keep it at 24 frames per second. For the color space, I shoot in standard profile, so I don't need to consider color space here. So this is my project setting. So the only thing I need to do in the export tab is to keep the project setting and then increase the bitrate number. We can change it from constant bitrate to variable bitrate if we want. By the way, let's click OK. So now we can click the export tab right here. But before you click the export option right here, you need to purchase a license or you need to log into your account in Filmora 14 so that you can export your project. Otherwise, it will just ask you to create an account. Okay, you can create a free account. By the way, with free account, when you export the video, it will have a big watermark on the output. So you need to purchase a license of Filmora to export your project. Okay, so I can just click it, export. And now we need to select local. Remember to select local. Do not select device or social media or DVD or stuff like that. Just select local. Okay. So this is for the video. All the information about your video. First thing is the name. For example, you can give it a name, demo, stuff like that. And next thing, you need to select a location on your computer. Save to. And this is the preset. So we have custom and match to project setting. By the way, you need to select the format of the project first. Normally when I export it to YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or stuff like that, I can select MP4. Okay, so select MP4 and then select the preset, match to project setting. So it will keep the project setting here. And if you want to back up to the cloud or stuff like that, but normally I will disable all the options down here. And next up, you need to select setting, and it will help you increase the bitrate number and select the bitrate mode. So here we can select the bitrate mode to constant bitrate if we want to maintain it at a fixed number, or we can select variable bitrate, because when you select variable bitrate, it can help you save your space on your computer because it will produce the video in smaller size in comparison with constant bitrate. Okay, but maybe we can go with constant bitrate. So for the bitrate, we can go with 15,000 kbps. So this is a normal video, so we can keep it at 15,000 or 20,000. It's up to you because the quality is the same. But if we go with 4K video, then we need to increase the bitrate number. Okay, so now we can click apply or save as preset, and next time we can use this preset for export. Okay, but we can click apply, and remember to click this one. So use last export setting for local. So next time when you click the export setting, it will be the same like this. By the way, do not forget to check the setting. Okay, so this is the best export setting for a landscape video or 16:9 video. Okay, so if you export like this, and you can have a good quality video. So let's go to another one, which is a short, which is very common right now. So we can go back to our start page, and we can click don't save because I don't want to save. Okay, so if we go to a short video, for example, this is a short video. I upload this to TikTok and to my YouTube channel, so we can double click to open it. Okay, so I can ignore because I select a portion of the short. So this is a portion of the short, and I remove the video. By the way, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is a short, and if we click export to double check the setting in the export tab. Okay, so this is my export setting. So first thing, we need to select the format also, and then we need to select preset and match to project setting, and now it will change the information down here. So I go with the aspect ratio 1:1 because I want to upload to short and upload to TikTok. So that's why I go with 1:1. But you can do the same if you want to go with 9:16. Okay, so for the frame rate, I keep it at 25 frames per second. And do not forget to double check the setting here. So this is the information for short, and go to setting, and you see this is the variable bitrate. By the way, I can make it constant bitrate and maintain the bitrate to 10,000 or 15,000. Okay, but for a short video, I think 10,000 is okay, and it's good enough, and the video quality is okay. So click apply. So the only thing I change here is the bitrate number. So for a landscape video, we keep it at 15,000 or 20,000. For a short video or a square video like this, we can keep it at 10,000 kbps. Okay, for the bitrate, and click apply. Then all the other information are the same. Okay, and we can click export. Okay, so this is the best export setting in Filmora 14. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you still have any question about this export setting or stuff like that, just comment below. Okay, so, and if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this, and we have more stuff on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and we see you in my next video. Goodbye.